Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling this Weber Master Touch charcoal grill right after this. Welcome to The Real Dad. I'm Jeff King. If this is your first time checking out this channel, I like to talk about barbecuing, do-it-yourself projects, and craft beer. If you want to see more, you can check me out on Facebook and on Instagram at The Real Dad. And also please, if you like what you see, subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up. So I'm making this video just to see how easy this thing is to assemble, and let's get at it. Rule number one, your first step is going to be to grab your Yeti, and no, Yeti doesn't pay me to say this. However, Yeti, if you're watching, I have 32 subscribers, hit me up. Take your craft beer, which we know I love, load and lock, and let's get at it. Okay, see what we got. A dull knife, wonderful. Take the base of your barbecue. And insert this. Put your ash cleaner into the slot. Okay, your ash. These tabs, you're gonna spit in behind the leg supports, the leg brackets. And I'm going to snap in place. Just like that. That's step one. Oh boy. Now, in this little bag of parts, there's 3 of these little things. I'm going to take them, you can take the bent end, you're going to stick it in the leg, put that little tab through the holes. But not for these two. Alright. Now you're going to take that leg that you just put that tab in, and it's just going to go in this leg here, the same side as the handle's on. So you take that, there you go. Next you're going to take one of these ones with the flat pressed end. There are 2 holes in this one. According to the book, when you're looking at it like this, it's going to go to the one on your right. So snap that one in. I'm going to take this one, and I don't think it's specific as to which leg spot it goes, and you're going to stick it in here. Now this is a good hard push, but you can do it without a hammer, even though it says to use a hammer. Okay? The next step is to take this. So this you're going to put in. You're going to rotate it to it. All the way in that hole. So the whole hook is actually in the leg. And then this is going to go in here. Okay, you want to do this before you put the third leg on, because that's what the instructions say. So the last leg, you're going to do the same as you did with the first one with the pressed end, except that instead of going on the right side, you're going to go on the left side. I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it in the last leg hole. Pop that in there. Alright. Now we're at step 11. That's our wheels. It says you need a hammer for this step, but we're going to see what I can do without one. So you need these two wheels. You need these two press caps to keep the shit. You need those two press caps to keep the wheels on. And you're going to need that. You need that to go over the third leg that doesn't have a wheel. Alright. So obviously this is the inside. We'll slide it on. Slide this one on. I'm going to take these press-on caps. And we're going to get a hammer. Okay. Light tap's all you need. Alright, there's our wheels. Yes, buddy?
I come in now?
Do you want to come say hi?
Yeah.
Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Do you like my new barbecue?
Yeah.
I'm going to cook on it. Are we having cat tonight?
Yeah.
We ever eat some cat?
Yeah.
No, we're not going to eat pumpkin, are we?
No.
No. Okay, buddy.
Yeah, I want down.
Okay, you go down. Okay, the wheels are on. Now we're going to take this cap and just stick it on the third leg. Alright, next step, we need that bracket. And we need that bar. What this is, that's your lid holder. So, take it, and you feed it on. Right to the center, there's an indent on the center. And that's all we need to do. Now, we gotta flip this around. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna take these black spacers, big ring to the inside, 4 washers, 2 nuts. Oh, sorry. Put 1 washer outside, 1 washer inside, and your lock nut. Repeat on the other side, 1 washer on the outside, 1 washer on the inside, lock nut. And the last step of this, the carriage bolt, the washer, and another lock nut. Carriage bolt on the outside. The washer. And your lock nut. I'm just going to tighten those up with a wrench. Okay. I'm going to take the ash pan. And we're going to put it on. Somehow. Okay. If you squeeze the handle, it's going to fit in these slots. Tap there. And a tap there. Start your charcoal grill on the bottom. Your charcoal baskets. your main grill, and this one's got the removable center. We'll get that after. And flip up sides. And then this can go in there. Okay, next step. Just a plastic handle. Simply just the inside. And the outside. Next is your handle and your heat shield. And they give you a little wrench. Anyways, take these two off. Put your handle through 2 bolts. And then reattach these 2 nuts. And the instructions say do not over tighten. Last step is they supply you with a thermometer. Just take your bezel with the tab to the top and your thermometer, obviously same tab to the top. And you got a wing nut. And there you go. There's your holder. And if you haven't yet, you get 2 hubcaps for the wheels. So it's that simple. If you have any questions about anything that I've just done here, don't hesitate to get a hold of me down in the bottom. Just shoot me a message. I will reply to you. And until then, I appreciate you watching my video. If you care to see more, hit subscribe and maybe the bell notification button. You'll be alerted every time I upload a new video. And until then, thanks and happy barbecuing.